And welcome back to another video. And today, this is part 2 of the washing machine. Well, let's just get right into it. Well, it's not the dishwasher, it's the washing machine. And why did I just say dishwasher? It's supposed to be the washing machine. It's supposed to be this thing right here. So, let's just turn it. I didn't close the door. There we go. There we go. This thing can actually wash. No, just do that. I pressed the wrong button. I supposed to press the green button. So it can do anything. So just watch the tub. Just watch the tub. And also, this thing is pretty slow. The drain cycle is a little bit long, and the wash cycle, what it's doing. It also makes a weird sound. What was that? This is the spin cycle. And by the way, I am smart, because I practice school. I go to school a lot. And I only have 2 days off. Oh. Sorry guys, I forgot to flip the camera. And that's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, hit that like button. Well, it should be doing this. Hit the like button right here. Like, right here. The like button. Hit it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.